Hi class, we have the seventh class for vectors. This class is about magnitude of vectors. Yeah, so generally, given a vector like this one, and we want to find its magnitude, first of all, you need to recognize that the magnitude of a vector is enclosed like this. Though in standard form, it has to be two lines, just like we will write norm in advanced mathematics. All right. So the square root of the sum of the squares of the components given. That's how we find magnitude. This one is a 2D. We are dealing with 2D for high school. Yeah. So 2D. 3D, of course, it extends to Z, X square, Y square, Z square. Okay. So the magnitude of a particular vector is equal to the square root of the sum of the squares of the individual components. So we have two problems here I want to look at. The first one says, oh, I'm sorry, I wanted to say magnitude. Find the magnitude of, find the magnitude of this vector. So even if you don't see the word vector, the fact that we have a line below the A, that tells it's what? A vector. So one is to find the magnitude. The magnitude of this vector A, denoted like this, is equal to the square root of the sum of the squares of the component 2 minus 3. 2 what? Minus 3. Yeah, I hope it is clear. So, or can write it outside, no problem. So this is equal to 4 minus 3 squared is 9. So this will give us what? This will give us 13. So this is the magnitude of vector A. The second one says the magnitude of the vector, this one, is this. The magnitude of a particular vector is 29. You know, for magnitude, square root, sum of the squares of the components, 20k. So 20 squared, k squared. The magnitude of a vector is 29. So we say 20 squared is 400 plus k squared, which is 29. So what is next here? We are now in surds. One term. So we square both sides. So when you square a square root, the square root will go away. So we have 400 plus k squared, which is 29 squared. 29 squared. What do we get for 29 squared? Okay. So 841. 841. So now k squared is 841 minus 400. So k squared is 84 minus 400 is what? 441. And what is the square root? We ignore the square to take the square root on the other side. 441. So that will give us 20 what? 21. So this is the value of k when the magnitude is given. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel.